Okay, it is time to look at this powerful, realistic text to speech AI tools. This is OpenAI.fm. OpenAI FM. You can Google it. It will take you to this interface. Let's look at what go OpenAI. OpenAI FM. No, OpenAI FM. You come here. Okay, this is it. This is OpenAI FM. You click on it. It takes you to the interface directly. And if you look at it, we have the voice. By my left hand side, we have the vibe. You can choose any voice that you want out of these voices, and you can click on this sign on my right hand side. You can click on it to change the voice that you want. And look at the vibe here. We have the vibe, which set the tune. You can decide to choose Santa tune, a patient teacher, the tune of a patient teacher. You can click on this and refresh. This refresh, it gives you the medieval night bedtime story voice, the calm voice, the sincere voice, and this is where you put in the voice. You can see we have affect, we have the tune. It will give you the tune here. Emotion, pronunciation, we have the pause. If you want a pause, this is the script proper. You can see the script here. You can see the script here. Okay, let's look change. Let's look at the voice alloy, and let us look at a bedtime story as a vibe. Okay, we have the story at the right hand side here, and we have the voice, the tone, the pacing of the voice. We have it here already. You can see the emotion. The emotion say it with wonder, curiosity, and a sense of adventure. We have the pronunciation that the pronunciation should be clear and precise. So this is a realistic text to speech. Why when you talk, when start talking, it will not sound so robotic and it doesn't really sound like an AI. Okay, let us play this. Once upon a time in a land full of wonders. Let's play this and let's see what they give to us. Remember, it is a voice from Aloy and it's a bedtime story.
Once upon a time, in a land full of wonders, there lived a kind little fox named Finley. One day, while wandering through the sparkling forest, Finley discovered a hidden door beneath a glowing tree. With a heart.
Okay, you can hear the voice now. Let's look at Ash voice, the next voice.
Once upon a time, in a land full of wonders, there lived a kind.
Okay, let's look at Cora.
Once upon a time, in a land full of wonders, there lived a kind.
You can see that you can change the voice you want out of this. You can change the voice. Let us look at the vibe. Oh no, we'll talk about bedtime story, and that's why it's giving us that tune. Let's look at a calm vibe. Okay, you can see that when you navigate around these vibes, you see that it will change here. The emotion will change, and everything will change. Let's look at the calm.
Thank you for contacting us.
Okay.
I completely understand your frustration with the canceled flight, and I'm here to help you get rebooked quickly. I just need a few details from your original reservation, like your booking confirmation number or passenger info. Once I have those, I'll find the next available.
You can see it now. You also need a sincere tune. You can see that the script has changed. If you have a narration, an image story to tell, or you want to tell a cartoon story, you will come here and it's time for bedtime story. You can just go to bedtime story in the scene, in the cartoon, or whatsoever realistic movie you are creating using AI. Yeah, you want someone to be sincere in that movie, somebody being sincere, like telling the truth in the story, in the cartoon story, or in the AI video story that you're creating, or whatsoever audio drama you're creating, you will use the sincere tune. And this is it. Let us click on play.
Thank you for reaching out, and I'm truly sorry about the unexpected charge on your bill. I completely understand how frustrating this must be, especially after your stay.
Okay, you can see how sincere it is. You can see. Okay, we can refresh here and look for other vibe. We have the cowboy vibe. You have old Timmy. We have the sincere. Let's look again. We have the Santa. Click on the Santa, like a funny character. Let's click on play.
Oh, Merry Christmas! You've reached Santa's workshop. How can I help you today? For toy requests, press 1. If you're on the nice list, press 2. If you're on
You can see that this is realistic. It is not a kind of robotic tune. It doesn't look the same. We have varieties, and OpenAI FM is bringing you this. Okay, you can also use ChatGPT to create a kind of tune, the emotions, the pronunciation that you want, based on the kind of story you've highlighted, that you've written using ChatGPT. And I have this result from ChatGPT. I had ChatGPT to create to create the tone, the voice, and the pronunciation for different kind of voices. Okay, let's look at the singing voice, the one I got from ChatGPT. You copy here, you copy this, you copy this. Then you come to OpenAI FM, then you paste it here, and look at this one singing like it's a lullaby greeting. Okay, you can also copy this too. You can come down here and paste it. Okay, you can see and paste it. Then you copy the song. It's a singing voice. You copy the song. Yeah. You delete this, then you paste it here, and let's see what it gives to us.
Oh, the sun is rising, the sky is blue. A brand new day, just me and you. Birds are singing, clouds drift away. Let's chase our dreams and dance through the day.
You can see how creative and how realistic it is. Very, very realistic. Very realistic. Let's look at another one. Laughing while talking, a playful voice. Laughing while talking. Let's copy this. Let's copy the tone, the voice, the pronunciation. Okay. We come to this place. Okay. We'll post this. We look at the last one, description. Let your laughter punctuate the words and roll naturally with the rhymes. Okay. Okay. Then let's look at the script. The script we use. Let's look at the script. Let's look at the script. Let's look at the script. The script. We delete this one. Then we'll paste this. Let's see. Okay, I have to copy it very well. Let's okay. Let me delete and paste. Okay, let's play it. The tone says joyful, spontaneous. Look at the left hand side. The voice says real laughter intertwined with speech. Pronunciation tip: laugh between phrases. Exaggerate pitch fluctuations for comic effect. The other explanation says let your laughter punctuate the words and roll naturally with the rhymes. So you can see now. Let's play.
Wait, so you're telling me you actually jumped in thinking it was a real hot tub spaceship? That's, oh wow, the funniest thing I've heard all week. I mean, I would have done it too. Probably with a towel gape. Man, you really believed it, didn't you?
Oh, this is very, very good. Okay, after that, you can choose to download. See, look at the download icon here by the left hand side. You click on download and it downloads instantly without wasting too much of time. Look at it. Let's click on what we've downloaded. Okay.
Wait, so you're telling me you actually jumped in thinking it was a real hot tub spaceship? That's, oh wow, the funniest thing I've heard all week. I mean, I would have done it too. Probably with a towel gape. Man, you really believed it, didn't you?
Wow, wow, wow. You can see how powerful OpenAI FM is. Gives you a powerful realistic tune, voices for whatsoever you want, either dramatic, whether you want to need the sound of a robot, the sound of a Santa, someone that is sincere, and in whatsoever content you are creating online, whether you're advertising, whether you are creating audio drama, or whether you are trying to create a narratives or whatsoever discipline that you have, you can see that OpenAI FM is a very powerful text to speech tool. I want you to share this, and I also want you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.